What is medical technology? Medical technology refers to the tools and techniques used in the diagnosis and treatment of disease. It includes everything from sophisticated laboratory equipment to surgical procedures. Medical technology can be used to diagnose and treat a variety of medical conditions, from minor illnesses to life-threatening diseases. Medical technology has come a long way over the years. In ancient times, medical procedures were performed with little to no equipment. For example, surgery was often done with sharpened stones and other primitive tools. Today, medical technology has progressed to the point where it is possible to perform delicate surgeries with high-tech equipment. Another area where medical technology has made great strides is in the field of diagnostics. In the past, doctors had to rely on their intuition and experience when diagnosing patients. Today, there are a variety of sophisticated diagnostic tests that can help doctors identify problems quickly and accurately. One of the most important aspects of modern medicine is the ability to administer life-saving treatments. Thanks to medical technology, it is now possible to keep patients alive who would have died in the past. What are some of the most common medical technologies used today? The medical technologies used today are incredible. They can do everything from detecting a heart attack to repairing a heart valve. Some of the most common medical technologies include medical devices, in vitro diagnostics, and digital health solutions. What are medical devices? Medical devices are used by doctors and other medical professionals to diagnose and treat patients. There are many different types of medical devices, from simple tools such as thermometers and blood pressure cuffs to complicated machines like MRIs and CT scanners. Medical devices can be divided into two categories: diagnostic devices and therapeutic devices. Diagnostic devices are used to diagnose diseases or conditions, while therapeutic devices are used to treat diseases or conditions. Some medical devices are approved for use by the FDA and others are considered experimental. What are in vitro diagnostics, or IVDs? IVDs are laboratory tests used to detect the presence or absence of certain substances in the body. They can be used to diagnose a variety of conditions, including infections, genetic disorders, and cancers. IVDs can also be used to monitor the progress of a disease or treatment. There are several different types of IVDs, including immunoassays, polymerase chain reaction, PCR tests, and gene expression profiling tests. IVDs are becoming increasingly important in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. They are often faster and more accurate than traditional diagnostic methods, such as blood tests or biopsies. Additionally, many IVDs can be performed using a small sample of blood or tissue, which reduces the need for invasive procedures. IVDs are also being used more frequently to personalize medicine. What are digital health solutions? Digital health solutions are revolutionizing healthcare by making it more efficient, effective, and accessible. Telemedicine is one such solution that allows patients to connect with doctors remotely for consultations, diagnosis, and treatment. This innovative technology is especially beneficial for rural and remote areas that lack access to quality healthcare services. Other digital health solutions include health tracking apps and wearable devices that monitor vital signs and track physical activity, as well as electronic medical records, known as EMRs, that allow doctors to access patients' medical history from any location. Digital health solutions are improving the quality of healthcare for everyone, and their growing popularity is sure to revolutionize the industry in years to come. What are the benefits of using medical technology? Medical technology has made great strides in recent years, and there are many benefits to using it. Some of the benefits include: 1. Increased accuracy and precision. Medical technology allows for greater accuracy in diagnosing and treating patients. This leads to better outcomes for patients and reduced healthcare costs. 2. Earlier diagnosis. Medical technology can often detect diseases and health problems much earlier than traditional methods, which can lead to earlier treatment and improved outcomes. 3. Reduced risk of infection. Medical technology helps reduce the risk of infection due to its sterile operating environment. This is especially important in surgeries and other procedures that involve contact with bodily fluids. For faster recovery times, thanks to advances in medical technology, patients often recover faster from procedures and surgeries than they would have in the past. This leads to shorter hospital stays and reduced costs overall. Are there any risks associated with using medical technology? There are always risks associated with using new technology, and the medical field is no exception. With new procedures and treatments come potential dangers to patients. However, many of these risks can be minimized through careful planning and execution by doctors and nurses. One of the biggest dangers of medical technology is that it can often be used incorrectly. This can lead to mistakes that cause serious harm to patients. In addition, medical equipment can malfunction, resulting in injuries or even death. Another risk associated with medical technology is the potential for infection. Hospitals are breeding grounds for bacteria, and even the cleanest environments can harbor dangerous germs. Patients who are treated with medical technology are especially vulnerable to infection, as they often have open wounds or tubes inserted into their bodies. Despite the risks, medical technology has greatly improved the quality of care that patients receive. In conclusion, medical technology is constantly evolving and improving. This means that patients can receive better care and have access to more advanced treatments. While there are some concerns about the future of medical technology, it is clear that this field has a great deal of potential. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.